Did you know that only 20% of people achieve true financial freedom, and most of them did it through smart investing? The rest are stuck working harder, saving more, and still falling short. So, what's the secret? Let's uncover it together. Welcome to Invested. Today we're diving into the concept of investment, the single most powerful tool to take control of your money, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom. If you've ever dreamed of living life on your terms, this is where it begins. And no, I'm not talking about gambling on meme stocks or those late-night infomercials promising millions. Here's the problem. Most people feel stuck when it comes to their finances. We're told to save money, but saving alone can't keep up with inflation. Then there's fear. Fear of losing money, fear of making the wrong choice, and fear of the unknown. Add to that the common myths. Investing is too risky. It's only for the rich. Or, you need a finance degree to even try. These misconceptions keep millions of people from taking the first step toward building their wealth. But here's the truth. With the right mindset and tools, anyone can invest, regardless of your starting point. So, how does it work? Let's break it down. Investing isn't one size fits all. It's like a menu with options for everyone. Stocks let you own a piece of a company and share in its growth. Real estate offers rental income and long-term appreciation. Mutual funds provide a hands-off approach, letting experts manage your investments for you. And then there's cryptocurrency, a high-risk, high-reward game that's changing the future of finance. And yes, we've all heard someone say, if I'd bought Bitcoin back in 2012, I'd be a millionaire. Well, hindsight is 20/20, my friend. The key to success? Start small, stay consistent, and focus on the long game. Investing isn't about luck, it's about strategy and patience. Even $50 a month can grow into a significant amount over time with the magic of compounding. But don't just take my word for it. Here's a story that proves it works. Meet Sarah. At 20, she was buried in student loans, earning just enough to scrape by. But instead of giving up, she started investing, just $50 a month into a simple index fund. Today, at 35, she's debt-free and has a portfolio worth over $50,000. Sarah didn't win the lottery, she didn't have a wealthy family. She followed 3 simple rules. Start early, stay consistent, and trust the process. The result? Financial freedom is now within her reach. And the best part? Sarah's story isn't unique. It's a formula you can follow too, but only if you start today. Here's what we've learned. Investing isn't just about money. It's about creating options, building security, and living life on your terms. Whether you're saving for a home, planning for retirement, or dreaming of financial independence, investing is your gateway to achieving it. So, what's holding you back? Share your thoughts in the comments. What's your biggest question or fear about investing? And don't stop here. Watch our next video on the power of compounding to see how small investments today can lead to massive results tomorrow. Remember, it's never too late to get invested.